Welcome back to DeFi Tactics. Remember, this is not financial advice. Do not make any financial decisions based on anything I am saying alone. Always do your own research. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and drop me a comment in the comment section below. With that said, today we're going to discuss Algorand and more specifically Algodex, which is the decentralized exchange to be coming out on the Algorand blockchain. So let's jump right in. So as you can see, we are on the main Algorand website, algorand.com/future5. And its brand is Welcome to the Future of Finance. Now, Algorand is ISO 20022 compliant, which is the next generation of financial standards coming out by the International Organization for Standardization. The goal for the Algorand blockchain is to be the convergence between decentralization and traditional financial models. So what makes Algorand so much better than the rest of the competition? Well, it is compliant with ISO 20022. Additionally, the transaction fees are extremely low. If we go over up to the Algo Explorer, or the Blockchain Explorer, the Algorand Explorer, you can see on this transaction second, on the right-hand side, we're looking at the fees. So you're looking at a fee of 0.001 Algorand per transaction. Additionally, it runs on a proof-of-stake model. So by holding your Algorand in a wallet that supports the staking mechanism, you're going to be earning rewards on your Algorand. So let's jump into a project that's coming out on Algorand in the next quarter or two. We're talking about Algodex, which is going to be a decentralized exchange that is a game changer. So as you can see, we're on the Algodex main page, about.algodex.com. And if we scroll down, we're still in the test phase of this. If we scroll down, we can see the how does it work section, and we get a little infographic here of what the exchange is going to look like. One of the key differences that this exchange has that other decentralized exchanges don't have at the moment are market and limit orders. So if we go over here to PancakeSwap, you can see that this decentralized exchange is very basic, very limited. You don't have the option for limit orders. You select your currency, you select the other currency, and you withdraw that currency from the liquidity pool. Going back to Algodex, the website, you're going to be able to do everything it looks like that you can do on a centralized exchange, make market and limit orders. Additionally, you're going to be able to trade all Algorand standard assets by default. Think of those as your ERC20 tokens. Any tokens created on the Ethereum blockchain, this is the Algorand version of that. So by default, all ASA Algorand standard assets are going to be supported by this exchange. And in the future, we're looking at an NFT marketplace for this exchange. Scrolling down a little bit further, expected launch is in Q4 of 2021, but anything software, it's probably going to get pushed. But within the next couple quarters, it looks like it's going to be launching. This may be delayed due to security auditors being extremely busy. That's extremely important that they're getting an audit, a security audit, to make sure that it's tightened up, buttoned up. So let's take a look at the actual testnet exchange. Back on the very top of the main page for Algodex, we're going to go to the top right corner and click Try Out the Exchange on the testnet. And as you can see, this has a much more developed interface than your PancakeSwaps do. You've got all of your assets that you can trade on the exchange. On the left-hand side, similar to your Coinbase Pro, you've got an actual candlestick graph. On the right, you've got the buy and sell orders and the already executed orders at the bottom. You can view your open orders, your order history, and your assets. Then on the right-hand side, this is where you would connect your wallet. You click Connect Wallet. It connects to My Algo Wallet. And then you can go ahead and you can place your buy and sell orders. Again, this is much sleeker and much more sophisticated than your PancakeSwap exchange. So as you can see, this is very sophisticated, and this is a much better improvement upon your PancakeSwap. Now, a couple things you might be asking: can you provide liquidity? Yes. The answer is yes. According to Alexander Trifonis, market participants will be able to provide liquidity to the various pairs offered on the exchange. Additionally, this is much sleeker and much better than Ethereum. Even with Ethereum 2.0 coming out, the foundation is claiming 14 minutes for settlement time, which is better than it could take hours with the current Ethereum network. However, compared to Algorand, you're looking at 5-second settlement, and you're looking at fees in the range of 0.001 to 0.003, depending on network congestion. So that wraps it up. I just wanted to show you guys one of these projects to be on the lookout for. It's another way that we can provide liquidity, or we can stake Algorand in order to earn passive income. And that way we're making our money work for us. That wraps it up. We'll catch you next time.